We have this fire escape here. Fire escape is blocking windows. No signs of easy access to the fire escape. That window is boarded. Those do not appear to be egress windows, your standard windows. No grab bar to the roof. Makes it unsafe. Through bolts, not all the way in, not secure.
Okay, Pico. Bye. He likes them. His color looks really good. Come here, bud. Good boy.
Needs a full paint job. However, we do see signs of possible lead-based paints in the way that it's scaling. Anchor on second floor is not fully secure, and then you can see cable is run underneath. Another anchor not fully flush and secured at the building. Fire escape does not appear to be modern. It is pre-existing, non-conforming, unsafe. Recommend further evaluation with repairs being made as necessary.
Failed with minor repairs. Repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.